Hi, my name is Robert Julga. I've worked for NED for about a year now. And I've been a mechanic for over 30 years now, working on different things from JAGs in Hollywood, California, to hot rods. This here's an ASV RT40, and I gotta replace the engine in it because it was rolled over and run without turning it off. So there's a few bent rods in there, and I got to replace it with this nice new short block engine. And the first thing I have to do is get all the radiator and the hydraulic cooler out of the way so I can start removing the engine. So I got a bunch of little tanks and stuff to get out of the way. Got to disconnect all the connectors, hydraulic lines, and got to take the pump off the back end of it. And that's basically it on this, really. So let NED be your first choice in all your service and sales needs.